My name is Barbara. I live here in Irving, Texas. I teach aerobic exercise here at the Heritage Senior Center 5 days a week. Before my surgery, I was having lots of pain. My knee was giving out. It limited me to the point that where at teaching my classes, everything I had to do, I did it in a chair or standing. So I had my left knee done the old way, traditional way of knee surgery. And I had the right knee done with the GPS system. The right knee, oh my goodness, the recovery time has been a lot faster than the left. The left knee, I'm actually still, the traditional knee, I'm still doing a lot of recovery. My therapist was really good, really knew her stuff. Oh, let's do it. Let's get going. Rip it out. Oh, yeah. I can do pretty much what I want. I'm looking forward to teach my classes and work out in the gym. That's what I like to do. I can get down there and get up without fear of my knee giving out. I don't have the pain of getting up and down like I had before. I do feel like I've gotten my life back.